In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Valorant black screen on launch. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different things that you could go ahead and do to fix this. Firstly, type in Valorant like so, then don't run it. All you want to do is open up the file location, then right click on Valorant, go to show more options, and then properties. Go to compatibility, and you want to do two things. The first one is run this program in compatibility mode 4 and then do Windows 8. And then also you want to run this program as administrator, click apply, and then click OK. That should fix it, but if that doesn't fix it, what you can do is go over to services like so, then click on any service, then press V. It's going to open up VGC. So right click on this, go to properties, and then make sure the startup type is automatic. If it's on manual, make sure you change it on automatic, not delayed start automatic, just normal automatic. Once you do, press apply and then press OK, restart your PC, and that should work. The final issue that it could be is your graphics driver if you haven't updated it in a long time. So just go over to your NVIDIA app and then, or like GeForce Experience, go to drivers and download the latest one and install the latest one. Then restart your PC and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.